Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw USDT from Uphold to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring your assets smoothly and securely. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have active accounts on both Uphold and Coinbase, and that you have some USDT sitting in your Uphold wallet. Crypto moves can be exciting, but always double-check to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Head over to the dashboard and locate your USDT balance. It's usually under your Assets or Portfolio section, easy peasy. Step 2. Once you're in, click on the Withdraw or Send button next to your USDT. This will open up the withdrawal options. Step 3. Select USDT as the asset you're withdrawing. Double-check the network. USDT can be on Ethereum, Tron, or other blockchains, so ensure it matches your Coinbase wallet setup to prevent any errors. Step 4. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Keep in mind any minimum limits or fees that Uphold might charge. It's always good to review those details. Step 5. Now, switch to your Coinbase wallet. Open the app or website, go to your wallet, and copy the receiving address for USDT. Pro tip: paste it somewhere safe before switching back to avoid typos. Step 6. Back on Uphold, paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Take a moment to verify everything. Wrong addresses can lead to lost funds. Step 7. Review the transaction details, including fees, and hit confirm. You'll likely need to approve it with two-factor authentication for added security. Step 8. Sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Coinbase wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from Uphold to Coinbase wallet in 2025. Remember, crypto is all about staying safe, so always use secure connections and keep an eye on fees. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.